a chicken, a wrap skirt, or a wraparound skirt. And I just hung it in the trees for a moment so you can take a look with me. Received from my neighbor. She probably thought I would be happy with it, that I could make something out of it. I was closer to tears than laughter. I'm not a musician, you know, for crying out loud. Look at this! Stains, holes, sun damage, and quite a lot. Oh no. Look at that. Oh no. But because it's 100% cotton, I'm giving it a chance. I grab my pattern. Cut the best pieces out of the fabric. Exterior, interior, interfacing, brim, and the band. Sewing the brim pieces together, right sides facing, cutting with the pinking shears. Top stitch, attach to the band, stitch and top stitch the crown pieces. Attach to the band. And then stuff it into the lining. Sew all around. And then the best part, unwrapping it like a present. And then, I managed once again to make something nice out of something ugly that was doomed to end up in the landfill. Thank you for watching.